Hey y'all, I'm back and I've been playing more slime and now it's finna get a little tricky. Now this is my favorite color. Now I really do love slime. I know y'all do. If y'all love slime, just come on buy it or just make it. If you look on YouTube, just click on slime. Just type in, if you don't have a YouTube in your TV, just type on slime and they will show you how to make it. And I just buy this little slime and yellow is my favorite color. Some of them are my favorite colors. So my favorite color is yellow, pink, purple, red, and something else. Done. Now I'm gonna make it to like a jumper. It's gonna go really long. Ooh, it just break. Of course, I'm in my room and I have my stuff in here and I'm watching TV and my Barbie doll's right over there.
From our crazy delicious family to yours, create those crazy squares, part of this complete breakfast.
The customizable modulus regulator with switch fire. Fire a single dart blast. Switch to burst fire. Switch again for continuous blasting. This is how we play. The new modulus regulator with switch fire comes with everything shown. Batteries not included.
Dogs used to hunt to satisfy their cravings. Now the hunt is over. New Peak from Rachel Ray Nutrition with 30% protein and 0% grains. Protein-rich Peak. Real fish, real recipes, real ingredients, real good.
So cool.
Together and build your own adventure. Design and launch your paper airplane with a crossfire.
First, I'm gonna make
no. Then rev up the gear racer for extreme races and jumps. Vex Robotics by Hexbug. Each sold separately. Build genius.
What's that? Gum. It's gum. It's new juicy drop gum. Sour and sweet, and you boost the flavor. Sour gel goes on the drop zone. Extend the flavor with more sour gel.
New juicy drop gum. Great tasting flavor you can extend with gel.
Slimes are my favorite, but I didn't met them like a year and an hour. No, not even an hour.
Motion activated sound. Ben 10 Deluxe Omnitrix with motion activation and sound.
Anything you can do, I can do
well,
better. I can do anything better.
Tomorrow is the 30th, and it's about to be October the 1st.
I'm greater than you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Halloween.
Dang,
May the
have a
best
hole in it again?
house win. Now at Party City, buy 2 tombstones, get 1 free. Party City. Oh, it's on.
Alright. It's 8 o'clock. So I have a baby brother in here, but he's at home right now. He's 2. His name is Count. Real name is Kamari. Well, especially it's kind of cute. He just had the same color skin as my sister's. She's light skinned, and so did my little brother.
As many of you know, we've got a lot of young fans out there who love making trick shots. So we decided, let's give some kids a chance to become Dude Perfect trick shot stars for the day. We've got a group of kids coming here. We're going to put together a little team.
Yay! It popped!
Wait, you guys actually found some redheaded
Well, I'll see y'all guys later. I'm gonna make some new videos, and I hope y'all will like it. So subscribe, thumbs up, or thumbs down. Be sad if y'all pick thumbs down. So, have y'all guys later. Bye.